Okay, welcome back to another video. Today I will be reviewing this keyboard and mouse by Logitech with the model number MK215. Let me get into unboxing this. At first we have the mouse and the USB. This is the Logitech mouse with the battery slots. Here is the USB for this, and then inside we have the keyboard. This is a nice looking Logitech keyboard. Okay, so we have all that. Okay, so here we have the empty batteryless mouse. It feels pretty lightweight with an average look, but the good part is these are all portable and very nice to be used with a laptop. You can carry it anywhere and use it at any time, since it's a battery supported keyboard and mouse and can be used anywhere. Here we have the stands, push-up stands for the keyboard, and here this bit is for the batteries. We put in the small thin batteries and then just cover it.
Continue.
This part seems kind of excessive since most keyboards have the battery slots either under it or on the sides, but this one is extended for the battery slots. Okay, now I'm gonna put in the batteries and connect it to a device. For this one you need the thick pencil batteries, one here and the other one here. And here I have the 10 batteries. And that's pretty much it. Now I just have to connect this USB to a laptop and then use it. Here the laptop is recognizing the keyboard and trying to verify it. Okay, so overall this keyboard and mouse is pretty good to be used with a laptop. Pretty portable, carry it anywhere, and with a good battery you can use it at any time. Thank you for watching.